Good morning, all. Today is 9th August. It's an amazing day. So, we'll be driving around Chennai today, and I'm going to vlog this. So, I have tried to show my videos to a few of my friends, and so when I used to run this detailing studio, there was this customer then, and this guy became one of my friend, and he's like, I see you driving around Chennai. I see you riding in Chennai. But why is this? Why is your vehicle always within the speed limit? Or he was literally asking me, why am I driving slow? I then it was really difficult for me to make him understand that roads are meant for driving, and race tracks are meant for having fun. It was so difficult for me. I understand this guy, whom I was talking. He was in his early 30s, so we can typically understand how much of adrenaline push or testosterone push, I don't know how to call that, he would have had. But it was really difficult for me to make him accept the fact that we are not supposed to, you know, drive a lot faster in the road, or to put it in a nutshell, it was difficult for me to make him understand that, you know, including him, everyone should follow the road rules. So that was it. So normally I cruise in the highways like between 80 to 100 kilometers an hour. Sometimes I cruise only in 60 or 70 kilometers an hour because that's the safest speed in Indian highways. In India, even though we have beautiful roads like this, we will not know what or who will jump in front of the road. So when I was about, um, I think, yeah, when I was in the school, I think I'm like 14, 15 years. So my dad went to the other town for some business, and he's supposed to get back home that day somewhere like afternoon, 2 o'clock or something. And those days we didn't have cellular service, and I mean, we had cellular phones, but the cellular phone network was not available throughout the country. Some places only some cellular service providers will have service, and some places nothing will be there. So, um, so last time somebody from my dad's business spoke with him was somewhere like morning 10 o'clock, and there was no phone call, nothing, no update from my dad, and we didn't know what to do. So my dad was driving in his car. So he was, I would say it is like his work truck. So he was having an Maruti Suzuki Omni, and he at the time they used to have this huge crash bars in front of the car. So when he was cruising somewhere like 60, 70 kilometers, oh my goodness, a lot of cars, all EVs. Okay. So when he was cruising somewhere in 60s, 70s, there was this lady who was raising, I think it's a buffalo. So no, it's not buffalo, it's a cow. So the cow literally jumped in front of my dad's car, and my dad didn't have like 2 or 3 seconds to stop the car. So bad things happened at the time. Luckily, nothing happened to my dad. He came home in a single piece. So we're grateful to God. And so my dad was the person who always used to say, if you want to live longer, you know, just think that you are having sense and you need to follow all the rules. There may be a person who may be honking behind you, or there may be people who will fly in the cars so fast, but you don't do that. Follow the rules. If it says 80 kilometers an hour maximum speed limit, go or cruise or drive or ride 20 kilometers less than that. That will put you in the sweet spot. And I've been following that for years now, and kind of got used to it. Even in highways, the other day um, we went to a nearby town. I think I've posted the videos. So when we were coming back via Pondicherry, even though the roads were so good, I was cruising only like 60 to 70 kilometers an hour. But I saw so many people driving really fast, and it's not good. I'm telling you. Right. So I'm intentionally making this vertical video because I found that in the statistics that around 85 to 90% of the people who watch my videos, um, they're all watching either in mobile phone or in tablets, and mostly mobile phone. So it's shorts or it's long video. It's all watched in mobile phone mostly. So I thought, okay, why don't I have a vertical video? So that's it. Okay, this is green light. I don't know if I can pass this. Some people are just jumping the signal. This guy jumped the signal and he's having a kid. The white shirt guy, I see a kid sitting in the front. Currently, metro work is going on. Hopefully, we will get metro in about 2 years. I hope so. Until then, we have to drive in this mess. I'm telling you, it's not so sweet to drive like this.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No